Susan now is abandoned girl child because of her situation. You can imagine that Susan tells me the mother has told her, I'm tired of you. Since this girl was dumped in Soroti Referral Hospital, nobody like a relative has ever come. This girl is being kept by Soroti staff and the patients themselves and the people who are keeping the patients. Even feeding.
Was brought in when she was having a problem of the skin, actually diffuse scleroderma problem of the skin, and we treated her, and also she had some malnutrition. So we treated her, she improved. She came with the mother, but we don't know for which reasons the mother abandoned her.
We are going to look for the relatives of this girl and to look for the parents if they are still alive. And they must, according to the laws of Uganda, the Children's Act, Cap 59, take over the responsibility of this girl.